It's your boy Talabi LPK. Dis vir jou kapa wat sy kind mis. Father's tears is falling like the rain. Niemand sien hier die silent pain. Miss die kinders, every single day. Lord, help them find their way. Elke oggend staan hy op met hulle naam op sy mind. So on is die kinders, is peace what to find. Hy smile vir die world, maar sy hart is in pijn. Sy gebiede elke aand is Lord, let me see them again. Hulle sê be strong, maar strong mense cry too. Every heartbeat is a reminder van how much he missed them. You, hy staar na hulle peaks, the memories never fade. Elke foto reminds him van die promises they made. Hy blame niemand, hy soek net peace. Lord, let this distance finally cease. Sy liefde vir hulle will never grow old. Dis geskrewe in sy hart, brighter than gold. Maybe one day sal julle luister na die song, and know your daddy loved you all along. Until the day he will keep his faith alive. Father's tears is falling like the rain. Niemand sien hier die silent pain. Hy miss die kinders, every single day. Lord, help them find their way. Yeah, hulle judge die story before they know his name. Maar net God weet, wie dra die pijn. Hy loop alleen met al die memories in sy head, replaying every word that was left unsaid. Yeah, elke bab die koop is steeds gives, maar hoop dat die gewig sal eendig lift. Hy fight nie vir revenge nie, hy fight vir love. Hy vraag vir genade van heaven above. Hy soek die rykdom nie, hy soek die fame. Says hearing daddy would never be the same. Every prayer is a letter daddy sends to the sky. Sometimes even strong fathers cry, sy hart lê oop despite the scars. God is still writing between these bars. Faith is a reason, a daddy still installed. Love never quits, it conquers all.